Hello, welcome back to 911 Scales. Guys, today I have a very special what's in the box video for you guys to enjoy, because I just received a package from Porsche Leipzig. They were just so amazing. They've sent me some models over to review, and in here is one of the rarest Porsche models I've ever got my hands on, and this will be the newest exclusive Porsche Leipzig model, which will be out in a couple of weeks. For you who's tuned in for the very first time, thank you very much for the interest in my channel. You've tuned in for a truly special video. My name is Michael, and with 911 Scales, here it's all about the passion for Porsche model cars. If you're also interested in this and like to spread the passion for that, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. So guys, let's see what is in this box. So let's cut open this beautiful tape. Oh guys, it'll be good, it'll be good. Let me just turn the package a bit more. Wonderfully done. Oh nice, they even wrote me a little card. With beste Grüße aus Leipzig, which is like best wishes from Leipzig in English. Very nice, thank you very much. But now here. So, a 1/18 scale model is in here. They've asked me if I wanted, besides the very special model, also another model. And this here is something which, yeah, usually I maybe wouldn't have gotten for myself. And in here is the Norev Cayenne Coupe with the opening doors. My god, this is a big model, guys, and it's very, very heavy. So here it is, already with one door open. So guys, here it is, the limited edition Cayenne Coupe with opening parts. And yeah, this is also made by Norev. This is not a Spark model. Let me just get it out. You have to wait a bit more to see the other model. So here it is, and the special thing about this one, the parts open. Okay, it does not hold open. There you can see it, even the trunk does open. So are the rear doors, and it feels actually very good. Very good impression again by Norev. I'm not surprised. The cheaper version with the closed parts is also very nice. Isn't it just awesome to do that on a Porsche model car? Finally, they've done it, finally. Really is a beautiful model, and I'm so happy that I'm able to do a review. Do the wheels actually turn? Ah, the wheels still turn, that's funny. That is still a thing, alright. And then guys, a very, very special model. This, you will enjoy this one. Here it's saying it. It's a 911 Speedster. There you can read it. For approval, this is the prototype model. This is the pre-production model, which makes it even more special in my opinion. It's just so amazing to have it here. Let's get it out. And here you have it. There you can read it. And you can guess what kind of color theme this model will have. And now to the bad part. We have to wait a bit further for me to unpack this model. For now, I'm not allowed to do it. I have to wait a couple of days hopefully not too many days before I'm able to publish the real review of this one, to unpack it for you guys. But it will happen sooner or later, trust me guys. I'm so happy that I have this model here. It just looks, even the box looks incredible. I know how the model looks obviously, and the model has an extremely detailed spec and novel spec in itself. You can see it here with these stripes, what kind of color this model will have, even with the box itself. This is a very special 911 Speedster model, and yeah, stay tuned for the review of this one. That will be good, trust me. Alright guys, as always, if you liked this kind of video, which of this one I really hope you did, because there's some very special stuff in here, and make sure to stay tuned for the reviews of these models. If you're not already a subscriber, please make to do so. Really helps me out spreading our passion for Porsche model cars. And as always, feel free also to contact me on Instagram at 911 Scales. That's it for now. Tune in next time when I explore the Porsche model car world in 911 Scales. Thank you very much. Allah, ciao.